your boy, Chris Norwood. That's not me at all. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make absolutely free unboxing videos. This is something I've kind of gotten into on the channel a little bit. I'm still mostly doing ranking the studio albums and album reviews and being a Green Day nerd and telling you guys about my journey in listening to every song ever recorded. But unboxing videos are pretty cool, and for some YouTubers it pays the bills. And I want to tell you today, if you are wanting to get into filming unboxing videos, this is a really hot tip, not a hot take, a hot tip on how to not break your budget buying album after album after album every single week. Because we know there's hundreds of records, hundreds of CDs, hundreds of vinyls coming out every single week. Sometimes more than Fridays. Sometimes they're coming out on different weekdays. So I've got an album here just to show you guys. This is just a pretty cool pick out of my collection. This is Afraid of Heights by Billy Talent. And I just wanted to have something visual to show you guys. This is a really great record. One of a more recent purchase that I've got. But it's just a representation of the physical media. How do you get physical media when you have no money or a very limited budget, or you've already spent your budget on maybe a Billy Joe Armstrong No Fun Mondays blue vinyl? That's coming. And CD. So you've blown your budget on all that, and the network music coming out soon. My budget is wrecked. So, say I wanted to unbox this, and I didn't have this really great copy I got off eBay for a really great deal. What you do is you go to your local library and you get whatever album you want. Now, the biggest issue and the biggest argument against this would be, you say, Chris, the library doesn't have a great selection of music in my area. That's okay. Okay, now I'm a library nerd. I love the library. Really missing it in this lockdown season. But when I was going to the library daily, I discovered if they don't have it in the library, now I traveled between 10 different libraries. I hit up every branch in this state, basically, to get books and music and movies that I want to get. Now, sometimes even so, within like a 100-mile radius, I couldn't find the book, movie, music that I wanted to get. There is a system called the interlibrary loan system, and you can get almost anything your heart desires. I actually got some, I'm a big fan of Rehab, and their music is really hard to come by. I have never seen it in a store, and even their official website is not very good. So it's almost impossible to get a CD or a vinyl by Rehab. So I really wanted one of their records one day, and I thought I'd give it a shot. I requested it through an interlibrary loan, and boom, got it pretty quickly. So now my local libraries, at least like the 7 to 10 branches around here, they've got a pretty massive music collection. Pretty massive DVDs, just about anything you can get at the library for absolutely free. Now, you can't keep it forever, obviously, but you can get almost anything. So if you're trying to make some money doing unboxing videos, that might be a sustainable way to do it, is get the ones for free, to give it a shot, and then once you build your audience like me with my 36 subscribers, then you can start still not making money, but you'll be on your way to making money with unboxing videos. You can get every item the library has to offer and unbox it. Boom, that's your channel. There's a lot of unboxers out there, but you got to make it your own. You know, you got to have like chihuahuas sitting on couches. You got to have your guitars and CD collections. Maybe you have some incense burning while you're doing the video. That gets viewers. If you have incense burning, it gets viewers. Maybe like have some drinks. But yeah, that's my big crazy suggestion for how to do unboxing videos. And I'm going to give you guys a free example video right now. I am still trying to figure out, maybe you guys can help me out on this part, filming. I have filmed some music videos where the camera was held down with some like household objects like chairs. I think I used a chair and had the camera sitting through the slits of the chair. But the camera angles are tough if you don't want to be like sitting here with it. So maybe you guys could give me some suggestions on filming an unboxing video. But for now, I'm gonna do this album in my style of unboxing videos, and you can see if it works for you. You might have a different face or different glasses or tongue or teeth, different laptop sitting at your kitchen table that was given to you by your father. You might have a different Sharpie. You may have a different mouse. Not all mouses are the same color. Not all mouses are mice. This is unboxing Billy Talent's Afraid of Heights. This is a 2016 record produced by Ian Diasta, mixed by Chris Loredounge, because Chris Loredounge mixes every piece of music since the beginning of time for some reason. Chris Loredounge has got to be the busiest, mixiest guy in the universe. So you want to show this side of the artwork, and the back side. Then you got the side, and you got the unside side. Usually nothing over there or over here. Sometimes there are differences. Open it up. Oh my! That's really cool. Ooh, trifecta. The unboxing trifecta. You don't have to show it upside down. Some people like to see it upside down. Billy Talent is afraid of heights. I mean, Billy Talent is Aaron, Ben, John, Ian, and Jordan. So yeah, this one is known for Big Red Gun, Afraid of Heights, maybe Louder Than the DJ. It may have been a popular one too. But we're gonna. There's the disc. Pretty cool. Download. Really nice thick booklet here. Really love this red and black and white artwork. Oh, the lyrics are so easy to read. So easy to follow. I'll show that. That's fine. It's just a finger. Louder than the DJ. You are the crutch of this disease. And everyone that you hold dearly. We still go on. The colors weren't that true. So when the title comes to bury us, the tide, wash your mind out, where's your morals? don't tell me we're adversaries. Wherever I go, wherever I go. A lot of thank yous, credits. This album is dedicated to Aaron. We stand together in your fight. Oh, that's interesting. All songs written by Dasa, lyrics written by Dasa Kowalskis. Interesting. I've got to do some more research on this Billy Talent band. I purchased this one because I felt like they were one band that were in that kind of music that I love, and I just had never given them a fair shake. So I ordered this off eBay. It's pretty darn good. Pretty great packaging, if I do say myself. Digipack I mean, for a used copy, this thing looks immaculate. It looks brand new. So, if you guys want to do unboxing videos, that's how I do mine. Thank you. Like and subscribe.